Hey everyone, this is Chris Fonseca from Seca LLC. I'm going to be hooking this Xcarve X controller here up to a Windows 10 machine. There's a lot of people that have probably encountered this problem, me included. So I'm going to show you guys a quick way to do it, and let's just get started. And then I'm also going to provide links on the bottom here. But what I did is I went ahead and searched, just a quick Google search. Um, that's kind of typoed out wrong, but drivers for Windows 10 and Xcarve is what I searched. And then if you go, it's one of the first search results. September 16th is when it was created. And it's right on the Inventables web page. Let's go back here. Oh, there it is. It's actually the third one. So you got that one. And of course, this is probably going to change as the days go by, but it's this one here. So FTDI, and then you're going to click on that right there. You'll download that. And it should show up in your downloads here. If it doesn't for any reason, then we can just do a right click, and then you can go ahead and open in new tab, and then it'll go ahead and start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you'll just go through the downloading prompts. You'll have to repeat, or you'll have to restart this. You have to restart the computer after you download it. So as you see, it is in my downloads here. I downloaded it twice just to show you guys the example. Again, just go through the prompts of the download, and it's going to ask you for permission. Of course, you're going to give it permission, and then restart your computer. And as you see right here, if we pull up our Inventables, that green means it's actually connected, and you can see it's working. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. If you have any other questions, please just comment down below, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Again, the link, I'll just send it directly to you guys on the